How to sort first directories then files etc. when using ls in Unix. I would like to use the ls command to first show directories and then files. I tried, but I got a wrong order.
The following command will list directories first, ordinary files second, and links third. lslaw, grepd and lslaw, grep, and lslaw, grepl. Also, it would make a great deal of sense to create an alias for this command to save keystrokes. Edit. If you want directories first, and then everything that is not a directory second, use this. lslaw, grepd and lslaw, grepvd.
I do so love Nix and love seeing the inventiveness that goes into some of these replies. Mine's not nearly as fancy on new Linux. Given that I'm more comfortable with my Linux client apps, I tend to also update core utils on OS.
For the Mac users, you can install core utils. This formula provides the new core utilities implementations, and for the commands that are also provided by macOS, they have been installed with a G prefix. You can further simplify your life with an alias.
There are certain things I want to see in a directory listing, and so far none of the answers here meets all of the requirements below. My requirements for a directory listing. Directories and files are sorted alphabetically. Directories are listed first. Symbolic links, symlinks, are sorted like files. Sorting is case insensitive. Sorting ignores all leading non-alpha characters in a file name. Listing includes the total count of directories, excluding // and // files, and links. Listing includes the total size, disk usage, of directories and files. The listing has to look the same on Linux and Windows. Git bash shell. This was the hardest to get right since convenient options like group directories first don't work in Git bash for Windows. After much hacking about, I finally came up with a one-liner, albeit a very long line smiles that I'm satisfied with. I have assigned this to an alias named Dear. To make things easier to manage, I came up with separate commands to output each segment of the directory listing to my liking, then assembled them together using the AND operator. lsdlf color head into extract /and /. We don't want to pass these through sort because they are already in the correct order, and sorting them can result in // being listed first. The D option is to get rid of the total line. I like to add F to show the trailing slash for directories. It will also mark some links with that when you do a plain lsf. lsalf, lc_all equals c grep d, lc_all equals c sort k9df, extract the directories and sort them by file name, 9th column, ignoring both non-alpha / base characters, D option, and character case, F option. The LSA option excludes // and // from the listing since we already extracted them in the previous step. I tend to prefix all grep and sort commands with the lc_all equals c locale reset so that 1. The output is consistent across Unix shells, and 2. You can sometimes see faster performance since it no longer has the overhead of the heavy UTF-8 character set to deal with. lsalf, lc_all equals c grep l, lc_all equals c sort k9df, this is similar to the step above, but this time we are sorting files and symlinks. Find maxdepth1 type d, b. name.dubcl, get the number of directories, excluding, /, and, /. Find maxdepth1 type f, dubcl, get the number of files. Find maxdepth1 type l, dubcl, get the number of symlinks. Do hs, cut f1, extract the total size of all subdirectories in human readable format. Find maxdepth1 type fprint 0, do ch files 0 from equals, tail in 1, cut f1, extract the total size of all files in human readable format. Let's see our new dir alias in action. Before? After? One minor downside is that you cannot have colored listings, since the color control characters surrounding the filenames make the sorting too unreliable. Update. The alias above was painfully slow when executed from the root directory of a deep file system, so I have updated to this simpler but much more performant command. Sample output. Since the new version of Git Bash for Windows supports group directories first, we no longer have to fall back on sort. Even though the new alias doesn't display as much information as the previous alias, the performance gains are more than worth it. As a perk, you also get colors.
If you want to support me, please consider subscribing.